Hello YouTube family. It's Jonathan bringing you another sneaker unboxing. Please ignore the red pants. I just got out of work, so trying to continue putting on this work all 2023 year long. These are the Airmax 1 Clout. There's two different Clouts. I got the better looking one. You'll be the judge of that. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. I love the detailing on the paper for the Clot branding. These shoes are, man, what can I say? These shoes are underdog big time. I think they retail for, if I'm not mistaken, 140 or 150. Correct me down in the comments. I think it's like 140 they retail for. These shoes go for under retail as of now. I've had them for a couple months now. The detail on them is freaking crazy. I don't know why these shoes don't go for more. But yeah, bro. Definitely a cop. If you haven't copped yet, do so. Like I said, these are the Airmax 1 Clout. The sexier version. I'll pop out the other one for y'all. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, they bring red extra laces as you can see. Look at that. Ladies and gents. Very nice shoe overall. What do y'all think? Copper drop. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It's John the Don concluding this sneaker unboxing. Hope y'all enjoy it.